Hey, Philip. Hush your mouth now, boy.
Oh my gosh! Philip, you okay? You okay, Philip?
Okay, miss.
Samson, why you kick Philip?
Miss, I kicked Philip because he only making noise. He only going like a little child, miss.
Yeah, but if he making noise, you didn't have to kick him.
Miss, I had to kick him. That was the only way to shut him up.
No, Mr. Samson, that is not how you just deal with things. You know what? Have a seat. I know how to deal with this situation. Have a seat, Mr. Samson. Philip, kick him back.
Kick him back?
Yes, kick him back.
Miss, you serious?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Samson, lean to your left. More. I want you to lean to your left more. I don't want to hear nothing from you. Lean to your left.
Miss, you make Philip kick me.
Yes, I did.
And I catch a heart attack with it. I dead, miss.
If you're dead, how you still talking?
Miss, I'm still talking because Jesus saved me.
Okay, Mr. Samson. Stop the unnecessary crying now before I call your mother.